Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that all of you will be fine and doing well at your homes. So, students, let's start our today's class. As you know that we were doing comprehension passages in our previous class, and today we will continue it and we will do comprehension passage number 2. This passage, the one we will do today, is about two approaches of reading. One is detailed and the other is skip or skim. आज जो हम पैसेज कर रहे हैं comprehension का, ये किस बारे में है? ये है रीडिंग के दो अप्रोचेस के बारे में. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ अ डिटेल. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हम अगर कोई स्टोरी पढ़ते हैं या फिर कोई भी हम लोग स्टोरी, ऐसे या फिर कुछ भी लेसन जो भी हम रीड करते हैं, अगर हम उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेना चाहते हैं और वो इंफॉर्मेशन हम डिटेल में लेते हैं. डिटेल में कैसे लेते हैं कि अगर उस स्टोरी जो भी हम रीड कर रहे हैं उसमें अगर किसी प्लेस या किसी भी ऐसी जगह का मेंशन किया हुआ है, उसके बारे में हम इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं, हम ऑथर के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं. डिटेल अप्रोच में इन शॉर्ट मतलब ये है कि हम एक एक माइनर डिटेल्स कलेक्ट करते हैं, चाहे वो ऑथर के बारे में हो, चाहे वो उस राइटिंग के बारे में हो, चाहे वो टेंस के बारे में हो. तो ये चीज़ें हम डिटेल्ड अप्रोच में पढ़ते हैं. सेकंड अप्रोच हमारे पास है स्किम और स्किप. इसमें हम अपना रेलिवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें नीडेड होती है, जिस इन्फॉर्मेशन की हमें ज़रूरत होती है, हम सिर्फ वही इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं. सो students, take out your notebooks, English A notebooks, write down the date, that is Wednesday, January 13, 2021. Draw margin lines and your topic is comprehension passage number 2. Students sometimes make heavy weather of their reading through not realizing that there are two quite different approaches of reading. In one, we are concerned with details. We may be dealing with a detailed philosophical or mathematical or scientific arguments. We must master each stage before proceeding to the next. We may be examine a poem minutely to see each tiny effect created by the poet, choice and order of words, or wrestling with a difficult passage in Greek or German. Here we probably read every word, we certainly wait every sentence. But there is another sort of reading. See, in the first detail approach, we see every point, every word, or every sentence. But in the second approach, let's read it first. But there is another sort of reading which is equally valid and equally important. In this, we want to see an overall picture. We want to appreciate a play or novel as a whole. Sometimes we want to give ourselves general background knowledge without worrying about details. Sometimes we want to read quickly through a general work to see if there is anything relevant to a particular problem or subject on which we are working. Here we skim or skip. We take in whole paragraph, even page or a glance, and it is nothing to read a 300 page book in a couple of hours or less. These two methods of reading are both important and they must not be confused. So, this passage is about two approaches of reading. One is detailed one and the other is skip or skim. You can also call it skim and scanning, in which we just collect or we are just concerned about the information which we are needed or which are relevant to our work. Now come to the question answers. Why do students make heavy weather of their reading? Students make heavy weather of their reading because they don't realize that there are two approaches of reading. These questions are made from the passage, given passage, and you have to find out the answers from the passage, because it's given in the passage, you can see it. Which is the first approach? The first approach is that which is concerned with details. Which is the second approach? The second approach is that in which we see an overall picture. What do we do here in the second approach? Here in the second approach we skim and skip. How do we find these two methods? We find these two methods important. Find the words from the passage which means praise, and B is look briefly. The word in the paragraph which means praise is appreciate, and the word in the paragraph which means look briefly is glance. So students, you have to write these comprehension passages in your neat English A notebook, and inshallah we will continue this in your next class as well, and we will do other comprehension passages, because this topic will be included in your final term exams. So um, complete your notebook, and inshallah we will meet in next class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.